What is good, guys? Welcome back into the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Today we're exploring Shiba Inu, and we'll also discuss the topic of a new Solana based ecosystem, memecoin, which could potentially do a 100x. Now let's talk about Shiba Inu quickly. I think, again, we have really hit the overall highs here on the fear and greed index. We tapped into 90 on this fear and greed index over here, as you can see, and historically we don't spend much time above 90 on the relative strength index, but also on the fear and greed index, the sentimental analysis, which is very important. This is a selling indicator, guys, and that's one thing you've got to get used to, is that when the fear and greed index is sub 20, sub kind of 25, this is your dollar cost average and accumulation phase. Right now we're actually in a kind of sell, take some profits in tranches kind of phase. This is a barometer of greed, and greed doesn't last forever. It will bite back eventually. So let's talk about Shiba today, and we can see it's sitting at $0.00002685, and this is actually decent to see it still holding this price. It's a very integral level of support. It didn't break through the 2.4, the 2.5 just yet, but overall I feel like with 70 on the greed factor, we are coming back down to a neutral sort of environment. Now, bit of research here. This guy thinks a slow correction suggests that buyers maintain control. So that's a fact right there. But he actually thinks that Shiba could break down to this FTR level of $0.000019. So it's a possibility. I'm not saying it's not. I've even put in a long order on that Shiba, that position right here. As you can see, look at the order price for 0.1965 and 2388. I've got some orders ready to go to fill in hopefully those positions down there. But this is some interesting speculation. So he thinks it could come down to the 19 level and then from there go absolutely parabolic. And it's possible. I personally think we might dip down again to the 23.6 region. We could perhaps come down to 19 because we did have that selling wick over there, which got bought up very, very quickly once upon a time. So it is possible to tap into 19. It will be a volatility wick. It will go down and up very, very quickly. But right now for Shiba, it doesn't really look that bearish. I mean, we're trading in W patterns, which are basically double bottoms, bullish reversal patterns, and we have broken through this resistance at 2674. And it does look like quite a good thing here that we're seeing on this impulse. But again, it's pretty difficult to say exactly what's going to happen. Last time we corrected, came down, we pumped up 5%, and now we're seeing again these small percentiles just kicking in. We do need to see Shiba do another 10% move to the upside to get back to these levels here. Now, overall, Shiba is following trajectory. I'm not really feeling too worried about, the price action of Shiba. I don't predict that we're going to see a huge crash, and if it was going to happen already and the whales really wanted to make their money and take profits, they would have also done already. So I do predict this trajectory could happen. We dip down into this accumulation range here with tons of liquidity flow in, maybe a good dollar cost average region. Retail money gets scared, they sell in a loss, whales buy back in, they buy at a lower low, and they dollar cost average in once again, propelling and waiting for that potential new all-time high that we're looking at the 9 level, which I think is so possible where we are looking. 227% increase is all we are asking for over here, which is around a, $45 billion market capital. So we could certainly see it happen. 45 billion market capital for Shiba Inu, I think it's possible. But of course, we gotta understand there could be some more downward play here in the markets. We don't know exactly where Bitcoin will correct to or what the rest of the market wants to do. Anyways, if you're new to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to hit your crypto goals this 2024. And yeah, let's talk about the next thing. Also, guys, with trading and trading signals, you can enjoy those in the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord. If you want to get tons of juicy trading signals like these ones here, my traders are doing fantastic. So shout out to those amazing guys. Great performance. And if you also want to unlock some trading signals, you're a busy worker, 9 to 5, got a family to feed, and you're just enjoying hobbies, go get those signals. They're down below in the Discord channel. You can find them there and just join the community. Now let's talk about the next big thing. This is a 10 to 100,000x potential. And this really is inspired by the big coins like Slurf, like Bohm. And it's all about, with these Solana based ecosystems, it's all about getting in early. It's all about getting in before the overall retail money, the FOMO kicks in. And you can see getting in early to these coins, they do provide massive insights. 13,000%. out. And they also provide some big gains to the upside over here. You're looking at 2,500% right there. So overall, looks good. And this is how you get in early, right? It's finding the project like Slothana right here. So Slothana is that next potential big thing, 10 to 100,000 X potential right here of Slothana just sitting there, chilling out on his little chair. So effectively, one Solana equals 10,000 Sloth. They've raised $7.689 million. It says here you can also send your Solana to the address down below. Now, I would recommend personally hitting that buy now button and doing it the Phantom way. Connect your Phantom wallet, convert Solana into your Sloth tokens. Now that's totally up to you. Then you wait for the overall airdrop. So yeah, join Slothana, embrace the Sloth life, let your soul soar with Slothana. From 420 to 420 million with Slothana right here. So he says tokens will be airdropped to your wallet after the pre-sale completes. Date TBC. Keep an eye on your arrival wallet for the arrival of Sloth. Follow our Twitter for further announcements. So again, this could be a big thing. Looking at their Twitter, with up to 10.4k followers. It could be really, really good. Hopefully, we'll see some parabolic price action from this Solana-based ecosystem. The link is down below. Do some research if you want to grab it. It's looking pretty hot already. And of course, you can't lie that is a massive milestone right there. Fingers crossed we're going to see some big gains in the markets. Fingers crossed, guys. Yeah, probably going to go actually do some exercise now. But I just want to, remind you guys that you follow these metas in the market, and sometimes metas shift. They shift between play to earn or artificial intelligence or meme coins or layer ones, layer twos. And right now we are sort of within that meme coin, that kind of high risk, high reward sort of territory, especially we have a $2.5 trillion market cap and a 60 billion valuation on meme coins at the moment, which is just insane. So really good to see it. Looking good overall. The market is still very, very strong. There's no denial there. You can't say this is a weak market. Bitcoin is at $66,000. We are absolutely in bull. We're just waiting for round 2. What could happen next? Anyways, subscribe if you're new here. Slothana link is down below for you to do some research. And if you do want to hang out in Jacob's Discord, that's me, by the way, then also click that link down below and we'll get to know each other that way. Big community waiting for you to say hi. And can Slothana be the next big slurf? Boom. That's the speculation. That's what we're all going to find out. Nobody knows the future, so don't risk more than you can afford to lose. And this is not financial advice. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.